billion. Leading the pack is Reliance Industries, standing tall as the most valuable company in India with a market cap surpassing 16 trillion Indian rupees. Right behind is Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, securing the second position, closely followed by HDFC Bank and Infosys. These four enterprises, rooted in the IT and financial services sectors, are pivotal contributors to India's economic growth. The remaining companies in the top 10 are no less influential. Hindustan Unilever proudly holds the crown as the leading FMCG company in India. ICICI Bank, on the other hand, claims the spot as the second largest private sector bank. HDFC is a prominent name in the mortgage lending domain, and the State Bank of India, SBI, stands tall as the largest bank in the nation. ITC is a diversified conglomerate with interests in FMCG, tobacco, and hotels. Lastly, Bharti Airtel takes the title as India's largest telecom company. In a surprising revelation, the top 10 Indian companies have emerged as significant contributors to the country's economy, collectively holding a staggering $871.21 billion of India's GDP, which currently stands at an impressive $3.5 trillion. This remarkable finding underscores the pivotal role these companies play in driving India's economic growth and highlights their substantial impact on the nation's financial landscape. In 2018, the collective market cap amounted to 383 trillion Indian rupees. By 2022, it surged to 57.4 trillion Indian rupees, showcasing impressive growth. As of the most recent data on 2 July 2023, it stands at a remarkable 63.17 trillion Indian rupees. Various factors contribute to this upward trajectory. India's strong economic growth, the rising popularity of equity investing, and the expansion of the middle class have played pivotal roles in driving the market capitalization of these companies. Taking a closer look at each company's performance, Reliance Industries leads the way with a consolidated turnover of over 7.9 trillion Indian rupees in fiscal year 2022. TCS, not far behind, achieved annual sales of about $27 billion in its 2023 fiscal year. HDFC Bank banking witnessed remarkable growth, with an annual turnover of $34.35 billion in the financial year 2022-1923, marking a 21.3% increase compared to the previous year. Infosys recorded an annual turnover of $17.93 billion in the same period, representing a 13.5% increase from the previous fiscal year. Hindustan Unilever saw its annual turnover surge to $7.63 billion in 2022-1923, marking a 16% increase. ICICI Bank's annual turnover reached $23 billion, growing by 10.24% year-on-year. HDFC, State Bank of India, SBI, ITC, and Bharti Airtel also experienced significant growth in their annual turnovers, reflecting the overall robustness of their operations and the opportunities the Indian market offers. As India continues its journey of economic growth, the market capitalization of its top 10 companies is expected to witness further expansion. Investors and analysts are keeping a close eye on these thriving entities, acknowledging their crucial role in propelling the nation's economy forward.